This is my McLaren F1 from 76920 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. I mean, it looks okay. Maybe the roof line is a little bit disproportionate, and it has holes on the side. And also, I forgot to mention it has the indicators and the badge on the side, which is definitely not there in real life. But anyways, ignoring that, I mean, it looks relatively like what it's supposed to. The back looks okay. And the interior does have one seat, just like the real F1 does. Oh, and I have a V10 in here, a big old fat V10. And I did include the little shift knob on the far right there. And the seat is comfortable for plastic. And it's kind of stable. Let's give it a stability test. See how it holds up. I'm going to drop it from about as far as you guys can see right there. Nothing. Let's do it again. The windscreen, that's unusual, but it is heavier because I included the rear hatch part on it too. With nothing more to say about this clunky thing, I'll be showing you guys how to make the instruction. No. And with nothing more to say about this McLaren F1, I'll be showing you guys how to make it for free. Cue the instructions.